Okay guys, so what's going on? A lot of you guys try to go out and buy this right here, the controller, and sometimes it's not the controller. Sometimes you either have this unplugged or you have something going on. Okay, so let's check them out. Let's see how they work. Okay, clip that back on there. Once you have taken off this case, there are T20s to take this off. Take off the top, you just take it off down. This one's for T20s. You have T20s, they look like stars, where they look like that. Okay, but it's a T20. And what you're gonna do, if you can do that, if you can hear that, that means your blower is good. Okay, you don't have a problem with your blower. Now let's turn this. If your AC is only blowing hot, doesn't blow cold, only blows cold or not hot, move this around and look down here. You see this? This is what I'm moving, and this is the one for your blender door, whether it's hot or cold. If that is turning, usually this ones get damaged on the inside. There's a little I don't want to take it off, but there's a little piece on there that will usually break off. So this is good. Now let's just say this is your problem right here. Okay, you have a second one down there. Okay, so this is the second one down here. You see that up there? You heard that little pop? Okay, do that again. Okay, if you can see both of those moving and this one moving, this one is your blower. You're blowing good. This is your blender for your air. And then this one, if this is the one that's not working, look under there, take this off. Once again, this comes down. T20, take them off. And that's it before you go out and buy this, guys, okay?